Recording the sewer line here today at 2311 Northwest 70th. Making a final video recording after we've done, Bob Oates has done a liner and a clean out install out here, some new pipe work. What we're looking at right now is the Seattle City main, which is about 120 feet down the line running through the neighbor's yard. This is a shared section of pipe. Well, the main is obviously a shared section for the whole street, but as we come back, it's a shared section with the house to the east. So this is a 6-inch diameter clay sewer line shared with the helm to the east of 2311 on the corner here. I'm coming back through this shared 6-inch diameter pipe now. Pretty good route there, pretty good route there. Another route there. We got some breaking, cracking on the pipe, upper left side of the screen, top part of the pipe. There's a big section of pipe missing there where it's broken and fallen out. There's some more route there. So there's quite a few spots in this line where the roots are just putting a lot of, they're choking off the line quite a bit. So we're coming back now. There on the right side of the screen is where the neighbor's main toilet stack tie-in is. Coming back, we're still in 6-inch diameter. This is still a shared section of the sewer. Again, some broken section of piping up to the top left on the screen there. Chunk of pipe missing. Another one there. How are we doing, Tim? Another one there at the top of the screen. And there is another tie-in for one of the downspouts, I believe, or the kitchen line down there in the neighbor's line. Coming back into 4-inch diameter pipe now, so we've gone from 6-inch diameter there into 4-inch diameter pipe. Into ABS plastic pipe. This is where another toilet of the neighboring house ties in. So this is still shared section of line with the neighbor. And now we're coming back into our liner we installed now. So we installed a liner here from where that neighbor ties into the pipe, coming back towards 2311 now. This was our 4-inch diameter new flow cure in place pipe liner that was installed through this section. And coming back into the plastic repair now, so liner right there, back into plastic for the clean out install. There's our clean out we installed, and that's the end of the video.